What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions. Turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. Oh, my bad. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there: Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, you name it. All right, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody. So you make sure you're getting legit business, make sure you're doing legit business, make sure you're getting what you pay for, and you're not getting scammed. All right, and before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So I know a lot of people like, man, I wonder where he be making his videos. I wonder like what time it is. Right now it is 4:05 in the morning. So when y'all see this video that in the drop, I am not just recording that video. I am up while you're asleep. I'm making YouTube videos. I'm dropping sauce to help you guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna show y'all drop some sauce and give y'all some information on how you can quit your 9 to 5 job and start making $20,000 in 1 month by being a self-paid entrepreneur, right? And there's a lot of people out there that's tired of working for the man or tired of working for the next person when they're controlling how much you get paid. When you can be controlling how much you can be getting paid, paying yourself. And there's a lot of people to see a lot of people out that's like, man, they making a lot of money. They don't work no job. And I'm out here slaving this 9 to 5 job or doing this and doing that. I want to make money like that. Well, let me tell you how to do that. First thing you need to do is you got to have a passion for something. And you got to literally be willing to learn something, because if you don't have knowledge about anything, you're not going to be able to teach or do anything. People who are doing something, they have knowledge about whatever they're doing. There's a lot of people who go throughout the day, go throughout their lives being mad at other people because they didn't do something for them. And the only person that's going to change your life is yourself. So when you see people out there doing all these different things, from YouTube to fixing cars to painting cars to doing this and doing that, that's because they had a passion for it and they was willing to learn about it and willing to learn and take sacrifices to be able to get where they are with it today. And a lot of people don't understand that. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta find some type of passion. A lot of people have to either have a passion for the wrong thing or they don't have a passion for anything. If you have a passion for something that you understand that it can make you some money and change your life, that's where you need to be. Sometimes people might have a passion for multiple things. You might got a passion for 10 things that you're willing to put the time and the effort in and make sacrifices for. That now you're making $10,000 with those 10 things each month. Now that's $100,000. Now you're making $1.2 million a year, and it could be more and it could be a little less. But you're doing what you love to do and you're making money. It's because you have a passion for it. A lot of people don't know what their passion is. That's why they're stuck in these jobs and doing things that they don't want to do, because they don't know, they don't think outside the box. You got to think outside the box. You want to be an entrepreneur, you got to ask yourself, okay, what am I going to sell or what am I going to offer that's going to make the consumer want to come buy it from me? And then, like I said, it can be some type of knowledge that you can offer to people that's going to help them 9 times out of 10 do what they need to do, from making money to whatever. You got people that want to do so many different things out there. So now you sit back and think, like, what do you know how to do that the next person is willing to pay to learn how to do? Now, it's a lot of things that people want to learn how to do. It's a lot of tricks and trades and niches out there that people know how to do. And you got to sit back and think, like, okay, what do I know how to do that I see other people doing the exact same thing that's making a lot of money when I should be doing the exact same thing? You got people out here that want to rap. You got people out here that want to make beats. You got people out here that want to be cameraman. You got people out here that want to start their own production company. You got people out here that want to act. You got people out here that want to do podcasts. And you got people out here that want to that paint shoes. You got people out here that offer so many different services that you can literally find these people on social media, on Instagram, anywhere. That there's billions and thousands and hundreds of millions of people who are doing the exact same thing. A lot of people gravitate to the same thing, to the same trade, to the same jobs. What do you know how to do? Like this is a time where you need to be real with yourself. Because I'm here to help you get money. I'm here to help you think about how you gonna put yourself in a position to win. Because like I said, at the end of the day, nobody was built to do the exact same thing. Nobody has the exact same willpower to do the exact same thing. It's a lot of people out there that's lazy. There's a lot of people out there that got their handouts. A lot of people out there that's mad because no one's doing anything for them. It's a lot of people that's not willing to put in the hard work and sacrifice certain things to get where they need to be. So what do you know how to do that you seen the next person doing that you can make you some money with? Like I just said, you see so many people want to do YouTube. Okay, figure out how to do YouTube. Figure out, say, put yourself in the situation and say, okay, I'll literally make you a YouTube channel for $200. Okay, I'll make you a YouTube channel and I'll post you X amount of videos for $500. You gotta promote yourself. You gotta promote your brand. You gotta be a hustler. You gotta have that hustle bone in you, because it's a will, it's a way. It's so many different things. There's so many services and so many jobs that you could be doing, helping the next person out, that you could be making a lot of money. So like say let's say me, I said, okay, for $200, I'll make you a YouTube channel, whatever niche you want to do. $200, boom. 10 people send me $200 to make them a YouTube channel. So what's that? $2,000. I just made that fast just by making somebody a YouTube channel. I didn't even have to really do anything. You got to figure out what people want and need and what you're willing to learn and what can you offer. So many people want to learn how to do something that's going to 9 times out of 10 make them some money, or they see somebody making some money with it, now they want to learn it. Knowledge is power. Being able to learn, being willing to learn how to do something will change your life. You're not elevating, you're not growing because you're not willing to learn. You're not learning anything on a daily basis. The people who know certain things, they learn so much that they connect the dots with so many different things, and they say, oh, okay, I can do this, I can do that, and I can make money doing this, I can make money doing that. Everybody wants to be cool. Everybody wants to be the next rapper, the next big thing, the next social media viral presence. Everybody's out making YouTube videos, not YouTube videos, but TikTok videos and Instagram videos, and trying to be funny and to go viral. And you see, nobody's really trying to work hard. I mean, that's working hard, but what I mean by working hard, everybody wants to be famous. It's a lot of different ways to become famous, a lot of different ways to get your brand and your platform out there. You just gotta be consistent. You gotta put in the hard work. You gotta actually know what you wanna do. A lot of people out there don't know what they wanna do. I ask people this on a daily basis. You wanna be a millionaire, you wanna be a multimillionaire, right? Yeah, of course. Okay. What are you going to do that's gonna put you in that position? And once I ask that, a lot of people don't know. A lot of people want to be multi-millionaires but don't know how they're going to get there. And that's why they haven't gotten there yet. Having one job, having one hustle is not going to get you there. You got to have multiple tricks of the trade. You got to be able to do multiple things. You got to be able to multitask and be multi-talented. Everybody want to be a rapper. Everybody want to be the next top model. It's not going to really happen unless you make it happen for yourself. You can go get you a loan for $5 million and produce it and put it behind your production company and sign yourself. And now you got employees because you signed employees, you signed people. You can run your own record label, your own production company, your own modeling company. Like, you can do this all on your own, but you guys want somebody to do it for you. You guys would rather somebody give you money, assign you, and they run you. They control what you get paid and all that. Make money off of you. Just to live in a spotlight, just to be in that spotlight or have that type of name or that fame or celebrityism. No. There's people out here that don't even know how to drive trucks. That's hiring people, paying for their CDLs and doing all that for them to drive the trucks, and they getting paid off them. And they splitting the profits, the proceeds. They doing big businesses. It's just all about the knowledge and the will to want to actually make something happen. So if you want to make $20,000, you want to quit your 9 to 5 job and make $20,000 in the first month. The first thing you gotta do is you gotta sit back and search and see, like, okay, what can I offer? What can I do? What do I know how to do that the next person is doing is making a lot of money? So how can I make the exact same amount? Because like I said, I can't tell you one thing to do to make $20,000 because everybody is different. I might tell you how to do something, but me and you are different. So it might be easy for me, but it might be hard for you. You might know how to do something that I don't know how to do, and it might be easy for you, and it might be hard for me. So the best thing I can tell you guys out there is you gotta find your niche. You gotta find your power. You gotta find what your interest is. You gotta find what you're good at. Once you find what you're interested in or what you're good at, you gotta do some research. You gotta say, okay, are people making money in this? And once you see if people making money, you gotta start saying, okay, well, how are people making money with this? How can I make money with this? How can I be in the same position? Even if you don't know nothing, go learn about something. Go watch a couple YouTube videos about something and make it sound good. Who knows? But you gotta actually be willing to learn. All right, so make sure y'all tap in, man. Make sure y'all get y'all. It's early in the morning. I know y'all getting up watching this video, or whatever time I drop this video. I know y'all watching this like, okay, King Hussle, right? I need to get myself together. I need to get my business together because at the end of the day, I want to pay myself. I want to pay myself $1 million a year or a month or every 2 months or whenever. I want to pay myself this amount of money so I can put myself in a position to win and be successful because I know I can because everybody else is doing it. So what do you know? What can you teach? What can you produce that's the consumer's gonna want to come and get from you. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. It's your boy King Hussle. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, new subscribers to the channel. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping the sauce. Y'all motivate me, keep working and working. All right, so shout out to y'all. Still looking for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, content creators, cameraman, producers. Make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. You want to sign to Hussle Nation? You want me to check you out? Please be willing to understand that the music reviews is $200. Don't write me in my DMs on IG saying, where do I send my music? None of that. No, be payment ready. If you're not payment ready, I'm not looking or checking out your music. You're not going to be able to go nowhere and say, hey, I'm the next big thing. You need to sign me. Me and you will make a lot of money. Y'all need to stop that. That's not how you handle business. No one's going to people who do that, you get looking at as a joke. Nobody takes you serious, right? That's not how you handle business. That's not how you approach anybody. So y'all need to really get your approaches up. Y'all need to really get y'all business together before y'all talk to somebody because y'all already Xing y'all self up out the picture, all right? So make sure y'all got some common sense and make sure y'all know how to talk before y'all enter somebody's inbox. $200 music review, all right? You ain't got $200. Don't send me no music. Don't tell me we need a link. None of that. Cash App payment, all right? Models, tap in. You tired of looking beautiful for free. You tired of shaking your honey on social media for free. You tired of taking these beautiful model pictures half naked with cake and paint all over you for free and not making no money off of it. You 25, 30, 35, still stripping in clubs, still trying to be a young woman, trying to be a fast tail, not owning nothing. You just like every other woman out here that's selling hair or doing hair and that's been doing the same thing for the past 10 years and ain't elevated yet. You got a couple of kids and you still in the same position. You've been messing with all these dudes and ain't none of these dudes put you in a position to win. Tap in with me because if you got a good head on your shoulders, I'm going to help you out. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. Point blank, period. I don't got time for no attitudes. I ain't got time for no women that think they know what they doing and this and that, because at the end of the day, it's levels to the game. It's things that really matter in life, all right? Credit bad. It's a lot of y'all who don't even got no credit, and credit tells me a lot about the individual. Credit means you don't got a lot. If your credit is bad, we ain't gonna get into that. So you ready to elevate, you ready to win, you ready to really boss up, you ready to be that real independent woman and make some money, tap in. I'm gonna show you how to do this, man. I'm gonna show you how to get this money. I'm gonna show you how to put yourself in a position to be a queen. I'm gonna show you how to be in a position to have people respecting you. You ain't gotta take your clothes off, none of that. So make sure you tap in and we can get this money together. All right. Limited gems, $500 for a couple more days, probably till Friday. So make sure you're tapping in. Limited gems will be going back to regular prices. Mentorships, $1,500 right now. You want to get under my wing, teach you the game, teach you how to make this money. $1,500. Book your seat right now on the crypto tour. In-person limited gems, $3,500 in state, $4,500 out of state if I got to come out of state to you. $500 deposit. Once you pay the deposit, we pick the date. Once the date comes, I come to you. You come to me. We get to work. You give me the rest of the money in person, and we get to the work. All right. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms. Make sure y'all follow me on all my IGs. My official ones, all the links are in the bio. I'm gonna run them likes up right now on IG because I'm about to do another giveaway. I just gave away 5 Gs of my Telegram to a lucky winner. So if you ain't follow me on there or IG, you missing out on a lot of good stuff. Make sure you go follow me on King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, the Hussle family, turn motivation to millions. And I know how to get down at the end of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.